In today's video, we will see a detailed list of all the courses and their full forms. So let us begin. Our first course is ACPDM. It stands for Advanced Certificate in Power Distribution Management. ADB का full form है Advanced Diploma in Bioinformatics. ADCA stands for Advanced Diploma in Computer Application. ADCHN का full form है Advanced Diploma in Computer Hardware and Networking. Let us see another set of important courses, ADIT, that is Advanced Diploma in Information Technology, ADSD, Advanced Diploma in Software Development. APGDCA is the acronym of Advanced Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application. BArch stands for Bachelor of Architecture. Next we have BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce. BEd stands for Bachelor of Education. BLEd stands for Bachelor of Elementary Education. BFSC is Bachelor of Fisheries Science. Another set of important courses, BLib, that is Bachelor of Library Science. BPEd is Bachelor of Physical Education. BPharm stands for Bachelor of Pharmacy. BPhil is Bachelor of Philosophy. Next we have BSc, that is Bachelor of Science. BSc AG stands for Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. BStat का full form है Bachelor of Statistics. BTech का full form है Bachelor of Technology. Next we have BVSc, that is Bachelor of Veterinary Science. BVet Tech का full form है Bachelor of Veterinary Technology. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. BAJMC का full form है Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. हमारी नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कोर्सेज की लिस्ट है BAMC, दैट इज बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स इन मास कम्युनिकेशन. BAMS इज बैचलर ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी. BASLP इज बैचलर ऑफ ऑडियोलॉजी एंड स्पीच लैंग्वेज पैथोलॉजी. BBA का फुल फॉर्म है बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. द नेक्स्ट कोर्स इज BBM, दैट इज बैचलर ऑफ बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट. BCA स्टैंड्स फॉर बैचलर ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन. BCJ इज बैचलर ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड जर्नलिज्म. BDes is Bachelor of Design. Next course BDS, this is the acronym of Bachelor of Dental Surgery. BE stands for Bachelor of Engineering. BFA is Bachelor of Fine Arts. BHM is Bachelor of Hotel Management. Next is BHMCT, that is Bachelor of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. BHMS का full form है Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. BJ stands for Bachelor of Journalism. BM stands for Bachelor of Music. Next we have BMC, that is Bachelor of Mass Communication. BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. BSBA, Basic School Training Certificate. Next course BSc, Bachelor of Software Engineering. BSM, that is Bachelors in Sports Management. BSTC is the acronym of Basic School Training Certificate. BSW stands for Bachelor of Social Work. नेक्स्ट कोर्स BTC, इसका फुल फॉर्म है बेसिक ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेट. BTS, बैचलर ऑफ टूरिज्म स्टडीज. CPED, सर्टिफिकेट इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन. CCC, कोर्स ऑन कंप्यूटर कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Our next course is CCIP, certificate course in intellectual property. CCNA stands for Cisco Certificate Network Administration. CDM का फुल फॉर्म है सर्टिफिकेट इन डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. CELTA, certificate in English language teaching to adults. Next course is CFA, that is Chartered Financial Analyst. CFS का full form है Certificate in Food Safety. COF, that is Certificate Course in Organic Farming. DEd is Diploma in Education. Next course is DOrtho, Diploma in Orthopedics. DPhil, Diploma in Philosophy. DA, Diploma in Acting. DA का एक और full form है Diploma in Automation. नेक्स्ट कोर्स इज DA, डिप्लोमा इन एनेस्थेसोलॉजी. DA का एक और फुल फॉर्म है डिप्लोमा इन एग्रीकल्चर. DAC स्टैंड्स फॉर डिप्लोमा इन आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट एंड डिप्लोमा इन एडवांस्ड कंप्यूटिंग. नेक्स्ट कोर्स DAE, दैट इज डिप्लोमा इन ऑटोमोबाइल इंजीनियरिंग. DAE का एक और फुल फॉर्म है डिप्लोमा इन आर्किटेक्चर इंजीनियरिंग. DAFM स्टैंड्स फॉर डिप्लोमा इन एनिमेशन फिल्म मेकिंग. DAH, डिप्लोमा इन एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. Next acronym DAHTM, that is Diploma in Aviation Hospitality and Travel Management. DAM, Diploma in Aviation Management. Diploma in Apparel Merchandising. Diploma in Agribusiness Management. Next course on our list is DAPR, that is Diploma in Advertising and Public Relations, DBC, Diploma in Beauty Culture, DBE, Diploma in Biomedical Engineering, DBI, Diploma in Banking and Insurance. Let us see the next set of courses. DBJCC, Diploma in Business Journalism and Corporate Communication, DBL, Diploma in Business Law, DBM, Diploma in Business Management, DC, Diploma in Counseling. नेक्स्ट कोर्स इज DCA, डिप्लोमा इन कमर्शियल आर्ट. DCA का एक और फुल फॉर्म है डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर अकाउंटिंग. DCH, डिप्लोमा इन चाइल्ड हेल्थ. DCHN, डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एंड नेटवर्किंग. नेक्स्ट कोर्स DCM, डिप्लोमा इन कंप्यूटर मैनेजमेंट. DCM का एक और फुल फॉर्म है डिप्लोमा इन कमोडिटीज मार्केट. DCP, डिप्लोमा इन चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी, डिप्लोमा इन कमर्शियल प्रैक्टिस. Next course again DCP, Diploma in Counseling Psychology. DCS stands for Diploma in Cyber Security. DCSE is the acronym of Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering. DCST, Diploma in Computer Science and Technology. Next we have DCT, Diploma in Cement Technology, Diploma in Ceramic Technology, Diploma in Computer Technology. DCWE stands for Diploma in Creative Writing in English. Next course is DCWH, Diploma in Creative Writing in Hindi. DDAN, Diploma in Dietetics and Nutrition. DDE stands for Diploma in Digital Electronics. DDM, Diploma in Dental Mechanics. The next course on our list is DDN, Diploma in Dietetics and Nutrition. DDP stands for Diploma in Drawing and Painting. DDT stands for Diploma in Dairy Technology. DEE is Diploma in Environmental Engineering. Next course is DEEE, Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. DEHM, Diploma in Electro-Homeopathy Medicine. DEIM, Diploma in Export and Import Management. DEM, Diploma in Export Management. Another important course, DEM, Diploma in Energy Management. DF, Diploma in French. DFD, Diploma in Fashion Design. DFE, Diploma in Fire Engineering. Next course, again DFE, Diploma in Film Editing. DFM stands for Diploma in Forensic Medicine. DFN stands for Diploma in Food and Nutrition. DFP is Diploma in Food Production. Next course, DFP, Diploma in Food Processing. DFSE, Diploma in Fire Safety Engineering. DFSM, Diploma in Fire Safety Management. DFT, Diploma in Fashion Technology. Our next course, DFT, Diploma in Food Technology, Diploma in Foundry Technology, Diploma in Footwear Technology. DFTM का full form है Diploma in Foreign Trade Management. Next course, DGD, Diploma in Graphic Design. DH, Diploma in Hindi. DHA, Diploma in Hospital Administration. Diploma in Health Assistant. Next course, again DHA, Diploma in Health Administration. DHCM stands for Diploma in Hotel and Catering Management. DHLS, Diploma in Hearing, Language and Speech. DHM, Diploma in Hospital Management. A few more courses, DHM, Diploma in Herbal Medicine. DHMCT, Diploma in Hotel Management and Catering Technology. DHR stands for Diploma in Human Rights. DIA is Diploma in Astrology. Next course, DIE, Diploma in Industrial Electronics. DIE, Diploma in Instrumentation Engineering. DIH का full form है Diploma in Industrial Health. DIM stands for Diploma in Investment Management. Next course is DIPL, Diploma in Intellectual Property Law. DIRM, Diploma in Insurance and Risk Management. DIRPM, Diploma in Industrial Relations and Personnel Management. DIT, Diploma in Information Technology. Next we have DJD, Diploma in Jewelry Design. DL, Diploma in Linguistics. DLIS stands for Diploma in Library and Information Science. DLLLW stands for Diploma in Labor Laws and Labor Welfare. Next course, DM, Diploma in Music. DMC stands for Diploma in Mass Communication. DME, Diploma in Mining Engineering. Diploma in Metallurgical Engineering. Next is DME, Diploma in Medical Electronics. DMIT, Diploma in Imaging Technology. DMJ, Diploma in Medical Jurisprudence. DMLT, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology. Let us see the next set of courses. DMM, Diploma in Materials Management. Diploma in Mass Media. Diploma in Marketing Management. DMOM stands for Diploma in Modern Office Management. Next course is DMR, Diploma in Mobile Repairing, DMRT, Diploma in Medical Record Technology, DMT, Diploma in Medical Technology, DN, Diploma in Numerology. Next course is DNA, Diploma in Nursing Administration, DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science, DOA, Diploma in Ophthalmic Assistant, DOM, Diploma in Office Management. Next course is DOT, Diploma in Occupational Therapy, DOTT, Diploma in Operation Theatre Techniques, DP, Diploma in Panchkarma, DPA, Diploma in Police Administration. Next course is DPE, Diploma in Production Engineering, DPE, Diploma in Physical Education, Diploma in Petrochemical Engineering, DPM, Diploma in Pharmaceutical Management. Next we have DPN, Diploma in Psychiatric Nursing, DPT, Diploma in Plastics Technology, Diploma in Physiotherapy, Diploma in Physical Therapy. Next course is DR, Diploma in Robotics, DRD stands for Diploma in Rural Development, DRT stands for Diploma in Rubber Technology, Diploma in Radiological Technology. Here we have few more courses, DS, Diploma in Sanskrit, DSE, Diploma in Software Engineering, DSMM, Diploma in Sales and Marketing Management, DSP, Diploma in Secretarial Practice. Next we have DST, Diploma in Sugar Technology, DT, Diploma in Tamil, DTD stands for Diploma in Textile Design, DTE is Diploma in Telecommunication. Next is DTLP, Diploma in Taxation Laws and Practice, DTS, Diploma in Tourism Studies, Diploma in Tally Software, DTT stands for Diploma in Textile Technology. Next is DU, Diploma in Urdu, DVE stands for Diploma in Video Editing, DVM is Diploma in Visual Merchandising, DVP is Diploma in Veterinary Pharmacy. Next is DWD, Diploma in Web Designing, DWM, Diploma in Watershed Management, DWT stands for Diploma in Welding Technology, DXT is Diploma in X-ray Technology. Next is ETT, Elementary Teacher Training, EVS, Environmental Studies, FPM, Fellow Program in Management, GNM, General Nursing and Midwifery. Next course is HMCT, Hotel Management and Catering Technology, IDHM, International Diploma in Hotel Management, LLB, Bachelor of Laws, LLM stands for Master of Laws. Next course is MA, that is Master of Arts, MCH is Master of Chirurgy, MCom is Master of Commerce, MPhil stands for Master of Philosophy. Next course is MSc, Master of Science, MSc IT, Master of Science in Information Technology, MSc AG, Master of Science in Agriculture, MTech stands for Master of Technology. Next course is MBA, Master of Business Administration, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MCA stands for Master of Computer Applications, MCSA stands for Microsoft Certified Systems Administrator. Next course is MCSE, Microsoft Certified Systems Engineer, MS, Master of Surgery. NTT stands for Nursery Teacher Training. PGD EDM stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Education Management. Next course is PGPX, Postgraduate Program for Executives. PGCBM stands for Postgraduate Certificate Program in Business Management. PGDA stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Acupuncture. PGDA stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Advertising. PGDA Postgraduate Diploma in Archaeology. PGDAC Postgraduate Diploma in Analytical Chemistry. PGDAS Postgraduate Diploma in Accounting Software. Postgraduate Diploma in Actuarial Science. Next set of courses, PGDBF Postgraduate Diploma in Business Finance, PGDBI Postgraduate Diploma in Bioinformatics, PGDBL Postgraduate Diploma in Business Law, PGDBM Postgraduate Diploma in Bank Management. Next we have PGDCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application, PGDCCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Commercial Application, PGDCDM Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Data Management, PGDCL Postgraduate Diploma in Corporate Law. Next course is PGDCL Postgraduate Diploma in Cyber Law, PGDCM Postgraduate Diploma in Construction Management, PGDCP Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Pathology, Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Psychology. Next we have PGDCP Postgraduate Diploma in Counseling Psychology, PGPCR Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Research, PGDCS, Postgraduate Diploma in Cyber Security. PGDD, Postgraduate Diploma in Dietetics. Next course is PGDDE, Postgraduate Diploma in Distance Education. PGDDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Disaster Management. PGDE, Postgraduate Diploma in English. Postgraduate Diploma in Economics. Next is PGDEL, Postgraduate Diploma in Environmental Law. PGDEM, Postgraduate Diploma in Environmental Management. PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Event Management. PGDES, Postgraduate Diploma in Embedded System. Next course is PGDESD, Postgraduate Diploma in Environmental and Sustainable Development. PGDET stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Educational Technology. PGDFD stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Fashion Design. PGDFM stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Management. Next course is PGDFP, Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Planning. PGDFSQM, Postgraduate Diploma in Food Safety and Quality Management. PGDGC, Postgraduate Diploma in Guidance and Counseling. PGDGI, Postgraduate Diploma in Geoinformatics. Another course, PGDGM, Postgraduate Diploma in Geriatric Medicine. PGDGO, Postgraduate Diploma in Gynecology and Obstetrics. PGDHE, Postgraduate Diploma in Higher Education. PGDHHM, Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital and Health Management. Next course is PGDHM, Postgraduate Diploma in Hospital Management. PGDHRM, Postgraduate Diploma in Human Resource Management. PGDHSC, Postgraduate Diploma in Health Safety and Environment. PGDI, Postgraduate Diploma in Instrumentation. Next is PGDIB, Postgraduate Diploma in International Business. PGDID, Postgraduate Diploma in Instructional Design. PGDIFA stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Investment and Financial Analysis. PGDIM is Postgraduate Diploma in Insurance Management. Our next course is PGDIPR, Postgraduate Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights. PGDIPRL is Postgraduate Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights Law. PGDIS is Postgraduate Diploma in Industrial Safety, Postgraduate Diploma in Information Technology. Next is PGDIT, Postgraduate Diploma in Information Technology. PGDJ, Postgraduate Diploma in Journalism. PGDLAN, Postgraduate Diploma in Library Automation and Networking. PGDM stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Management. Next is PGDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Microbiology. PGDMBA, Postgraduate Diploma in Management and Business Administration. PGDMLE, Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Law and Ethics. PGDMLS, Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Legal Systems. Next is PGDMM, Postgraduate Diploma in Marketing Management. PGDN, Postgraduate Diploma in Nanotechnology. PGDP, Postgraduate Diploma in Photography. Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmacovigilance. Next is PGDPA, Postgraduate Diploma in Professional Accounting. Postgraduate Diploma in Public Administration. PGDPM, Postgraduate Diploma in Personal Management. Postgraduate Diploma in Pharmaceutical Management. Next course is PGDPR, Postgraduate Diploma in Public Relation. PGDRD, Postgraduate Diploma in Rural Development. PGDRDM, Postgraduate Diploma in Rural Development and Management. PGDRE, Postgraduate Diploma in Renewable Energy. Next we have PGDRM, Postgraduate Diploma in Rural Management. PGDRM, Postgraduate Diploma in Retail Management. PGDRP, Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology. PGDSE, Postgraduate Diploma in Special Education. Next course, PGDSLM, Postgraduate Diploma in School Leadership and Management. PGDSW, Postgraduate Diploma in Social Work. PGDT, Postgraduate Diploma in Taxation. Postgraduate Diploma in Tourism. Next course is PGDT, Postgraduate Diploma in Translation. PGDTL stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Taxation Law. PGDTP stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Taxation Practice. PGDTPPE, Postgraduate Diploma in Thermal Power Plant Engineering. PGDPPE, Postgraduate Diploma in Thermal Power Plant Engineering. PGDTTM, Postgraduate Diploma in Travel and Tourism Management. PGDWD, Postgraduate Diploma in Web Designing. PGDY Postgraduate Diploma in Yoga. Next is PGP Postgraduate Program, PGP ABM Postgraduate Program in Agribusiness Management. PGP DFC stands for Postgraduate Certificate Program in Banking and Financial Services. PGP BM stands for Postgraduate Program in Business Management. Next course is PGP EM Postgraduate Program in Enterprise Management. PGP FMB stands for Postgraduate Program in Family Managed Business. PGPPM Postgraduate Program in Public Policy and Management. PGPSM Postgraduate Program in Securities Markets. Next is PGPWE Postgraduate Program for Working Executives, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, RHCE Red Hat Certified Engineer, RSCIT Rajasthan State Certificate in Information Technology. Next is SCSA Sun Certified System Administrator. With this we come to an end of this video. Thank you.